Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to run full phone diagnostics test. Simply go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option device care. Scroll down, here you can see the option diagnostics. Tap on this one. So here you can see phone diagnostics, app battery usage diagnostics, app safety diagnostics. Tap on the option phone diagnostics. Tap on OK. Tap on test all, continue testing. Now you can see it is a testing but mobile network checked, sensors 22 tests are there. Just wait for a few seconds as to complete this process. You can see this 14 out of 22 is checked. So the diagnosis runs the quick test to detect any hardware issues. It is very useful if you notice the problem like touch not working, battery draining fast, or sound issues. So you can identify the problem before visiting any service center if you are doing like this step. Okay, so simply in this way we can run full phone diagnostics test on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.